5 science-backed exercises to stop muscle loss. Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed your muscles shrinking? Maybe you feel weaker, your clothes fit differently, or simple tasks like carrying groceries feel harder. It's not just in your head, muscle loss is real, and it happens faster than you think. But what if I told you that with just a few specific exercises, you can stop this process and even rebuild lost muscle? Scientists have discovered that certain movements don't just slow down muscle loss. They actually help your body fight aging and keep your strength intact for years. If you want to stay strong, energetic, and independent for life, keep watching, because in this video, we're diving into 5 science-backed exercises that will prevent muscle loss and transform your body. And make sure to stick around until the end, because the last exercise is the most powerful one for maintaining your muscle mass as you age. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding muscle loss. Before we jump into the exercises, let's quickly understand why muscle loss happens, because if you don't know the cause, you won't know how to fix it. As we age, our bodies go through a process called sarcopenia, which is just a fancy term for muscle loss due to aging. This starts as early as your 30s and accelerates if you don't take action. Scientists have found that we can lose 3 to 5% of our muscle mass every decade after 30, and by the time you're in your 60s or 70s, you could have lost half your muscle strength. That's why older adults often struggle with mobility, balance, and even simple daily tasks. But here's the good news: muscle loss is not inevitable. Your body is designed to adapt, and with the right exercises, you can stimulate muscle growth, prevent weakness, and maintain your strength for years to come. And the best part? You don't need a gym membership, heavy weights, or expensive equipment. These 5 exercises can be done at home, and they are scientifically proven to activate your muscles in a way that fights aging and keeps you strong. Ready? Let's dive into the first exercise. Section 2. Exercise number 1: Squats, the ultimate lower body muscle builder. If you could only do one exercise to stop muscle loss, this would be it. Squats are one of the most effective movements to build and maintain muscle mass in your lower body. Why? Because they activate your biggest muscle groups, your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, all at the same time. Scientists have found that squats help to improve balance, bone density, and even testosterone levels, which is critical for maintaining muscle strength as you age. Think about it: every time you sit down and stand up, you're doing a squat. But if your leg muscles weaken, even standing up from a chair can become a struggle. That's why practicing squats regularly keeps your legs strong and prevents muscle deterioration. How to do it? 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. 2. Lower your hips as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. 3. Keep your back straight and knees aligned with your toes. 4. Push through your heels to stand back up. 5. Repeat for 10-15 reps and do 3 sets. If squats feel difficult, start by holding onto a chair for support or doing half squats. The key is to stay consistent. Your legs will get stronger, and you'll notice how much easier everyday movements become. And here's a bonus tip: squats also increase circulation and improve your metabolism, meaning they help burn fat while building muscle. Alright, now let's move on to our second exercise, which is just as important. Section 3. Exercise number 2: Push-ups, the best upper body strengthener. Did you know that upper body strength is a key predictor of longevity? That's right. Studies show that people with stronger upper bodies live longer, healthier lives. And one of the best exercises to maintain upper body strength is the classic push-up. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core, helping you maintain muscle mass in your upper body, which naturally weakens as you age. But here's the real reason push-ups are so powerful: they activate your fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are responsible for strength and power. These fibers are the first to decline with age, but push-ups keep them engaged and strong. How to do it? 1. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. 2. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. 3. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground. 4. Push back up to the starting position. 5. Aim for 10-15 reps, doing 3 sets. Can't do a full push-up? No problem. Start with knee push-ups or inclined push-ups by placing your hands on a raised surface like a table or bench. By doing push-ups regularly, you'll prevent muscle loss in your upper body and keep your arms, chest, and shoulders strong for years to come. Section 4. Exercise number 3: deadlifts. Full body muscle activation. If you think deadlifts are just for bodybuilders, think again. Deadlifts are one of the most effective full body exercises for stopping muscle loss. Here's why. Deadlifts engage multiple muscle groups at once, including your legs, back, core, and arms. They are a functional movement, meaning they help you with real-life activities, like lifting heavy objects, carrying groceries, or even getting out of bed. Science has proven that lifting weights or doing resistance exercises is one of the best ways to fight age-related muscle loss. And deadlifts specifically strengthen your spine and improve posture, reducing your risk of injury as you age. How to do it? 1. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a weight, or even a water bottle if you're a beginner. 2. Keep your back straight and lower the weight while bending at the hips. 3. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes as you lift back up. 4. Repeat for 10-12 reps, doing 3 sets. Deadlifts are a game changer. If you want to maintain total body strength, this is an exercise you should never skip. Section 5. The most important exercise for preventing muscle loss. Now, we've covered squats, push-ups, and deadlifts. But there's one exercise that's even more powerful when it comes to stopping muscle loss. Want to know what it is? Make sure to watch until the end, because this one is a must for keeping your muscles strong for life.